Skincare is a very important part of my day. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my everyday morning skincare routine. Skincare is a very important part of my day. I have oily combination skin, and also I live in Jamaica. I live in the Caribbean, so it's very important for me to be taking care of my skin, especially with the oily skin and the weather being the way it is. It's going into summertime right now, which is I know a lot of persons love summer, but I hate summer. I wish that it could be winter or fall all year round, and spring as well, because I love spring, but not summer. I don't wear as much foundation on my face at this time of year because it's just too hot. So I feel the foundation just ends up seeping into my pores and just amplifying the largeness of them. So I just don't really practice wearing a lot of foundation unless it's nighttime or it's a special occasion. I'll just want to dress up and everything. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the products that I generally go for in the mornings. I feel like my skin is the best in the mornings. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kimberly and this is Enhance with Kimberly. So guys, as you can see, I have no makeup on my face right now. This is my bare face. In the mornings when I wake up, I like to cleanse my skin because you know when you sleep, sometimes you sweat, or you wake up, you feel like the sleep is still on your face in that way. So it's like, you know, you want to just cleanse your skin and make it feel a lot more fresh. So I turned to this product here, Simple Kind to Skin Refreshing Facial Wash Gel. I showed you guys this product in my favorite beauty products video, which I did a couple weeks ago, and I will link it about right here. I think I'll put it right here for you guys so you can go and check out what I said about it, but I'll basically say it again, but still you can go and watch that video. It's 100% soap free. It is for natural healthy looking skin. I've been using this for so long. What I generally do is I'll wet my face for 1 minute, and yes, of course my bathroom would be pink. My face is wet. Yeah, anytime I'm gonna apply something to my face as a cleanser or anything, I always try to wet my face before I apply it, because I take a little bit. See, this is the consistency. It's like a clear gel. I don't use that much because, as I said, it's morning time. This is how it looks. It's clear, light, and not scented at all, and the more I rub, it becomes a foam, and then I just apply it to my face. Once I apply it to my face like this, I generally just keep rubbing it in and trying to just make sure that I get every bit of dirt out of my skin. So I rub and I rub, and that's it. And I think I rubbed enough. This is how it basically looks after I finish rubbing it into my skin. I'll be back after this. See, that was so quick. I'll take my towel. Yeah, it's pink. Pink is my favorite color, if you can't tell. I'll just dab my face. Just dab my face. I don't wipe my face like this. I dab my face. You guys are seeing my natural eyebrows now, which I told you guys I was self-conscious about in my video. In the video I did about how to be confident. And I will link that also in somewhere on the screen, so you guys can check that out. After I cleanse my face, I reach for my toner. Simple Kind to Skin Soothing Facial Toner. It makes my skin feel refreshed and light and perfect for sensitive skin, and it helps to keep your skin clean and refreshed. Just get a cotton ball, squeeze some out like this, and I generally saturate the cotton ball, and I go right in and I do gentle upward strokes. Can see that even though you wash your face, you know, you will still have residue. You'll always have product buildup, and the toner helps to remove all of that. But this is the morning time, and there is still, you guys can see that it's still not white, you know, because there's always going to be buildup on your skin. Usually what I do after I tone is I just kind of make it, you know, dry. I just let it dry. When it's dry, I'll just come back to you guys and wrap up the video. Or what I can do with the power of video editing is just be back in a snap. Alright, I'm back now. This is how my skin is looking. I generally don't moisturize my skin that much. I know persons are always saying, hey, you have to moisturize and all of that stuff, but I don't have dry skin, and I find when I moisturize, it kind of makes my skin feel like there's something sitting on top of it. What I do sometimes is I'll take my Jergens Soothing Aloe lotion, and I will put it around my nose area, because sometimes what I find is that my nose tends to get a little bit dry, especially around this area right here. So I'll just take a tiny bit, just a little bit, and kind of put it around the nose area and on the tip, and I'll just rub it into my nose. And that's basically it. I'll just go about the rest of my morning and just put myself together and get ready for work. So there it is, guys, my everyday morning skincare routine. It's really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Comment below what you do for your skincare routine in the mornings or in the evenings if it differs for you. And also comment below if you want me to do an evening skincare routine. That's when I do come home from work or come off of the road, I tend to do a lot more with my face during the evenings, because I have a lot more buildup. I've been on the road, dirt, everything is just in my skin, and I just want to get everything out. So I do a different routine in the evening. So if you want to see that, I can definitely film that for you guys. Share it if you don't mind sharing. Sharing is caring. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos on all things girly, positive, uplifting, all that good stuff. Don't forget to check out my social media. All of that is linked below in the description. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much. XO. Mwah.